Given pie diagram represents different components of the soil. Identify P, Q, R and select the correct option. This is P, Q, R. This is given as organic matter. This is air. We have to identify P, Q and R. Soil has 5 components with different composition. Mineral water, which is 40%, water, which is 25%, organic matter, which is 10%, and air, which is 25%. Soil organisms are variable. So the correct answer is C, mineral salts. This is mineral water, which is highest, 40%. This is water, which is 25%. This is biota, which is organic matter, 10%. Which of the following pairs is not correct? Options: E. Haeckel coined the term ecology, correct. Tansley coined the term ecosystem, correct. R. Mishra, father of Indian ecology, correct. So the correct option is D, none of these. Dash is the rate of production of organic matter by consumers. Options: primary productivity, secondary productivity, net primary productivity, gross primary productivity. The correct option is D, gross primary productivity. Reason: interaction of biotic and abiotic components results in a physical structure. Which is a characteristic of each type of ecosystem. Components of ecosystem function as one single unit. 4 functional aspects of the ecosystem are: productivity, decomposition, energy flow, and nutrient cycling. Ecological pyramids are graphic representation of number, biomass and energy flow in an ecosystem. So the correct option is D, gross primary productivity. During the process of decomposition, CO2 is consumed and O2 is released. O2 is consumed and CO2 is released. CO2 is consumed and H2O is released. None of these. Decomposition is a process that concerns breakdown of complex organic matter by decomposers to inorganic raw materials like carbon dioxide, water, and various nutrients. Oxygen is required by aerobic bacteria for decomposition. So the correct option is B. O2 is consumed and CO2 is released. If 10 joules of energy is available at the producer level, then the amount of energy present at the level of secondary consumers is options 10 joule, 1 joule, 0.1 joule, 0.01 joules. Only 10% of energy is transferred from one trophic level to the next trophic level of food chain. That is 10% law given by Lindemann. In present case, energy available at producer level is 10 joules. Hence, energy at primary consumer level will be 1 joule, which is 10% of 10 joules. Similarly, at secondary consumer level, energy present will be 0.1 joule, which is 10% of 1 joule. So the correct option is C, 0.1 joules. Percentage of photosynthetically active radiation PAR that is captured by plants in synthesis of organic matter is 50 to 70%, 30%, 30 to 40%, 80 to 100%, 2 to 10%. About 1 to 5% of incident solar energy or 2 to 10% of PAR is captured by the photosynthetic organisms for synthesis of organic matter, which is the gross primary productivity. Roughly 20% of it is consumed in respiration, so that we capture of energy, that is the net primary productivity, is 0.8 to 4% of incident radiation or 1.6 to 8% of photosynthetically active radiation. So the correct option is D, 2 to 10%. In a grassland ecosystem, if the number of primary producers is approximately 6 million plants, the number of top carnivores in millions which may be supported by it will be options 3, 36, 60. In a grassland ecosystem, the pyramid of number is upright. If the primary producers are approximately 6 million plants, then the number of top carnivores must be less. Primary producers. This is top carnivores less than 6 million. Hence, according to the options given, there would be 3 million top carnivores. Correct option is A, 3 millions. Which of the following representation shows the pyramid of numbers in a forest ecosystem? You can see options A, B, C and D. The correct option is C. Pyramid of number in a forest ecosystem is spindle shaped. In a forest ecosystem, number of producers is less, but supports a greater number of herbivores, which in turn supports a fewer number of carnivores. This results in a spindle-shaped structure of pyramid of numbers. Mr. X is eating curd yogurt. For this food intake in a food chain, he should be considered as occupying options: first trophic level, second trophic level, third trophic level, fourth trophic level. Mr. X eating curd yogurt should be considered as occupying the third trophic level. Producers of green plants, that is in the first trophic level, are consumed by herbivores, that is second trophic level, and from then the curd or the yogurt made is a dairy breed is consumed by the third trophic level organisms like man. Third trophic level includes Mr. X, curd or yogurt eaten by Mr. X. Mr. X also feeds on herbivores, which is dairy breeds. This is the third, this is the second trophic level, which gives milk. Milk made from milk, curd and yogurt is formed. And in the first trophic level, which are producers, they include plants which are eaten by herbivores. So the cycle goes like producer, which are plants, then herbivores, which is given herbivores which give milk. From them curd and yogurt are formed. Curd and yogurt are eaten by man, which is Mr. X. So the correct option is C, third trophic level. Primary succession occurs on area destroyed due to forest fire, newly formed river delta, harvested crop field, all of them. The correct option is B, newly formed river delta. Primitive substratum. Primary succession, it starts from the primitive substratum. They are known as the primary pioneers, which are the primary commuter, primary colonizers. Newly formed river delta, newly exposed seafloor, igneous rocks and sand dunes, newly cooled lava sediments are some examples of primary bare area. Primary succession takes a long time for completion, several hundred to several thousand years. So the correct option is newly formed river delta. In lithosphere, foliar lichens make the conditions favorable for the growth of options: crustose lichens, mosses, annual grasses, perennial grasses. In lithosphere, xerox or lithosphere includes xerosphere or xerarch. The pioneer community is usually constituted by crustose lichens. Examples are Graphis and rhizocarbon. Foliar lichens, that is Dermatocarpon or Parmelia, kill the Crotos lichen by shading them. Cause deeper depressions and accumulate more organic matter. Foliar lichens make the condition favorable for the growth of hardy mosses. Example, Tortula grima. So the correct option is B, mosses. Out of the total proposed cost of various ecosystem services, cost of climate regulation and the habitat for wildlife are 50%, 10%, 6%, 25%. Robert Costanza and his colleague have put together the value of ecosystem services to $33 trillion. Out of which 50% is for protection of soil, prevention of flood, and mitigating droughts. The value 10% each of nutrient cycle and recreation and 6% for climate regulation and habitat preservation for wild flora and fauna. So the correct option is C, 6%. This question is related to the question we studied before this. What is the amount of average price tag on Nature's Life Support Services determined by Robert Costanza and his colleague? The correct option is in US dollars 33 trillion a year. Catalytic converters which are fitted into automobiles for reducing the emission of poisonous gases possess which of the following metals as catalyst? Options: platinum, palladium, rhodium, lead, both A and B. Catalytic converters have costly metals like platinum and palladium and rhodium as catalyst. Exhaust gas first pass through catalytic converters to reduce the emission of poisonous gases. Automobiles fitted with catalytic converters should not be uses lead petrol because lead inactivates the catalyst of the converter. So the correct option is D, both A and B. In India, Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act came into force in the year 1981 but was amended in the year dash to include dash as an air pollutant. The Air Prevention of Control Act in 1981 deals with the preservation of air quality and control of air pollution with a concern of detrimental effects of air. It was amended in the year 1987 was also recognized as an air pollutant. So the correct option is D, 1987, and noise was also recognized as an air pollution. Which of the following is the most dangerous metal pollutant of automobile exhaust? Options: cadmium, copper, mercury, lead. Correct option is D, lead. We have learned the same thing in the last question. Select the correct sequence of air pollution and its component with the effect it produces. Options: chemical factory, NO2, ozone hole. Wrong. Automobile exhaust, N2O, greenhouse effect. Wrong. Heavy industry, CO2, acid rain. Wrong. NOx gas, PAN, photochemical smog. Correct. So the correct option is D. Peroxide nitrate, PAN, are formed through photochemical reactions between sulfur oxides and hydrocarbons, nitrogen oxides and hydrocarbons, nitrogen oxides and O3, CFCl3 and O3. Peroxide nitrate PAN is produced due to reaction between NOx and hydrocarbons under effect of UV radiation of sunlight. So the correct option is nitrogen oxides and hydrocarbons. Select the incorrectly matched pair. World Environment Day, June 5. Correct. Bhopal class tragedy, December 2-3, 1984. Correct. Air, that is Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, 1981. Correct. Hiroshima Day, August 6, 1950. Wrong. So the correct option, the incorrectly matched pair is Hiroshima Day. There is option D. Hiroshima Day is on August 6, 1945, when an atomic bomb was dropped on the Japanese city of Hiroshima. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the codes given below. Mercury, Minamata disease, arsenic, Blackfoot disease, nitrate, methanoglobulina or blue baby syndrome, cadmium, Itai disease. So the correct option here is option A. Contamination of water with sewage is indicated by cyst of Escherichia, Entamoeba, Pseudomonas leishmania. Contamination of water with sewage is indicated by cyst of Entamoeba histolytica, that is Escherichia histolytica, which causes infection and by digestion of mature cyst from fecal contaminated water and causes amoebiasis in humans. So the correct option is B, Entamoeba. Which among the following is likely to have the highest level of DDT deposition in its body? Seagull, phytoplankton, eel, crab. Chlorinated hydrocarbons like DDT pass into the food chain and increase amount per unit weight of organisms with the rise in trophic level due to the accumulation of fat. Among the given animals, seagull is a fish-eating bird and is present at higher trophic level. So it has higher levels of DDT deposition in its body. So the correct option is A, seagull. A prolonged exposure to noise at 95 dB can produce respiratory trouble, skin cancer, nervous tension and increased blood pressure, digestive support. Noise is measured in decibel, that is dB. The decibel measures the loudness of noise to the ear. The range of hearing in human beings is up to 120 decibel. We can hear ordinary conversations at 50 decibel, but not any sound above 120 decibel is harmful. Further, it has been found prolonged noise at 90 decibel produce deafness, nervous tension, and rise in blood pressure. Noise increases higher blood pressure by increasing cholesterol level in the blood. Noise leads to anxiety and stress. The correct option is C, nervous tension and increased blood pressure. Which of the following isotopes is most dangerous to human beings? Phosphorus 32, strontium 90, cesium 137, iodine 131. Correct option is B, strontium 90. It is a radioactive isotope of strontium produced by nuclear fission. Strontium 90 is very harmful to human beings. It gets deposited in our bones and bone marrow, causing bone cancer and leukemia. If there is no greenhouse effect, the average temperature at surface of the earth would have been 15 degrees Celsius, minus 18 degrees Celsius, minus 6 degrees Celsius, 10 degrees Celsius. Greenhouse gases like CO2, CH4 and CFCs are essential for keeping the earth warm and hospitable. They prevent a sustainable part of long-wave radiations emitted by earth to escape into space. But these gases radiate a part of this energy back to the earth. This phenomena is called greenhouse effect. Because of greenhouse effect, the mean annual temperature of earth is 15 degrees Celsius. In its absence, it will fall to minus 18 degrees Celsius. So the correct option is B, minus 18 degrees Celsius. Greenhouse effect is due to accumulation of O3 and depletion of CO2, accumulation of both O3 and CO2, accumulation of CO2 and depletion of O3, presence of green plants on the earth. Ozone depletion occurs due to chlorofluorocarbons, nitrogen oxide and sulfur dioxide, etc. Large-scale deforestation and combustion of fossil fuels are increasing CO2 concentration in the atmosphere. So, greenhouse effect is due to accumulation of CO2 and depletion of ozone, that is O3. So, the correct option is C. Increasing skin cancer and high mutation rate are the result of ozone depletion, acid rain, CO pollution, CO2 pollution. Correct option is ozone depletion. Good ozone acts as a shield absorbing ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Ozone depletion occurs widely in the stratosphere due to increased amount of CFCs, which causes various types of skin diseases, that is like skin cancer and mutations. Identify the incorrectly matched pair. Basal conversion, control of transboundary movements of hazardous waste, Kyoto Protocol, climatic change, Montreal Protocol, forest conservation, Ramsar conservation, conservation and utilization of wetlands. The incorrectly matched pair is Montreal Protocol, that is forest conservation. Montreal Protocol is an international treaty signed at Montreal in 1987 to control the emission of ozone depleting substances.